How to sort data in Excel. I'm going to show you how to sort data from either A to Z or from Z to A. So you want to select the cell that you want to sort the data for. I'm going to go with cell A. I'm going to click on A right here, which will then select the whole cell. Now you want to make sure that you're on the Home tab, and on the right hand side you want to select Sort and Filter. You can choose sorting from either A to Z or Z to A. I'm going to go with A to Z. I've got more data here and Excel has recognized it. This is the data that I have not selected. You can choose to sort other data in your list if you want to by selecting Expand the Selection, or you could just continue with your current selection. I'm actually going to sort the data of everything, so I'm going to click on Expand the Selection and then click on Sort. Because I selected A to Z right here, it put my data in the standard order. A to Z for words, lowest to highest for numbers, or oldest to newest for dates. You can also sort from Z to A if you want to.